Hello friends, today I will share with you a small experiment which I did few times and it was a great success. So let's see what all are the ingredients. It's a healthy wheat and oat walnut bar. Here I am using wheat flour, you may use atta. So in a pan you are going to slightly roast the walnuts. In the meantime, here I am using palm sugar, you may use jaggery powder too. So in a mortar and pestle I am pounding the 100 grams of palm sugar and scooping out to a clean bowl. So this is the second block. Each blocks are around 50 grams, so total I took around 100 grams. The sweetness of these bars are just perfect. Don't increase it or reduce it. So here I am adding in some salt because I have used unsalted butter. Now adding in the unsalted butter at room temperature, and using a wooden spoon I am going to beat this mixture until it is creamy and well combined. So this will take around 2 minutes of creaming. After this I am going to add in around 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is an egg free recipe and do give it a try because this is really very good and tasty healthy bar which kids are and adults are going to like it equally. So after the vanilla is added, I am creaming in the mixture again very well. Now I am adding in 1.5 cups of wheat flour. If you are using atta, the quantity might vary, like maybe more atta you have to add, so add accordingly. So here I am using a 200 ml measuring cup. Then here I am using half cup of instant oats. All the weight in grams are given in the recipe list. Now here I am adding quarter teaspoon of baking powder, and once the walnuts are cooled I will chop them roughly using a sharp knife, and some of the portion of this walnut I will add to the flour mixture. Okay, so some portion I will add into the flour mixture. Then next I am using dark chocolate chips which are less sweet. So if you are using semi sweet or sweet milk chocolate chips, reduce the quantity. So these are dark chocolate chips. So once it's added, combine it well. I have not added the whole half cup of chocolate chips. The rest I will be using for the topping. So combine it well. Then I am using a 9 by 13 inch tray. So this is a texture we are looking for. It must be like this. Later it will thicken up. So here I have lined the tray with parchment paper and I will transfer this mixture, and using the butter paper I will press down this mixture, and on top I will spread the remaining walnuts and the chocolate chips equally on all sides, and using this paper from the butter I will press it down so that it gets fully stuck onto the batter. Okay, you can use a rolling pin too. The thickness is like half an inch, these bars. Okay, so here I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees. I am going to bake them around 25 to 30 minutes. This took me around 30 minutes. These bars are soft if you underbake them, and it can be crispy. You can make them crispy by baking it for around 40 minutes. So after 30 minutes take it out, and using a sharp knife you can divide it into your required sizes. Here I got around 15 bars. After this you can bake them more for around 10 more minutes to make it more crispy. Okay, so these are very addictive bars. Do give it a try and let me know your feedbacks and comments. I'll be coming up with more such healthy and easy recipes. Thank you and take care.